Increasingly stringent emission regulations as well as the expensive cost of petrol have led to the growth in popularity of electric scooters in India. In addition to their lower cost of ownership and running cost per kilometer, these considerations have contributed to the spike in popularity of electric scooters. But owners are understandably concerned about the restricted range of electric scooters and the absence of charging outlets along roadways. Consider the following ideas if you want to get the most out of your electric scooter. Keep the tire pressure at the OEM prescribed level. Maintain the recommended tire pressure as prescribed by the original equipment manufacturer. Keeping the tire pressure specified by the original equipment manufacturer is crucial. Keeping proper air pressure in the tires minimizes rolling resistance. This reduces the amount of power generated and consumed, thus extending the life of the battery pack and allowing the rider to travel further. Be easy on throttle and brake. Another piece of advice is to be cautious with the throttle and brake and to ride in slower, power-saving modes to guarantee that the battery charge lasts longer. Adjust your riding style to avoid abrupt acceleration and stopping, both of which consume battery power. Turn off unnecessary electronics. Switch off all electronic components that are not in use. Turning off unneeded technological components such as Bluetooth and smart navigation saves battery life and extends device range. Think battery upgradation. Consider replacing your battery. Always be on the lookout for battery upgrades, such as a larger or higher voltage battery that can store more energy and provide a longer range. Putting a second battery in an electric vehicle not only doubles the amount of power it provides, but it also makes working on the vehicle safer by eliminating the need to wrangle wires and connectors. Maintain the battery. Battery upkeep is another piece of fundamental advice. It is critical to take care of the battery by not depleting it entirely and exposing it to high temperatures. As a result, the battery's maximum range will not decrease with time. Maintain a healthy weight. Lastly, it is essential to keep a healthy weight, both for the user and the electric scooter, as carrying extra weight impacts the range. You can extend the range of the scooter by carrying only the necessities and leaving behind any unnecessary items. Users of electric scooters will be able to improve their range and ride for longer periods of time if they follow these suggestions.